You've poked the bear of Andrew, and we've woken up. And this year, we're going to put up a fight.
I love the House of David. It's pretty easy to love the House of David when you win all the time. Three-peat, here we come.
I am truly so thankful for each and every one of you as we lead the House of George to victory this year.
Let's not be remembered just for our domination in the house competition. Let's be the house that acts.
As a team, all right? This is what we are about this year.
Colossians 3:23 tells us, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters. In the midst of the busyness and homework, sports, college applications, or whatever you have going on in your life, strive to act as Christ in the everyday.
You have the opportunity, by the end of your senior year, say, I did something, and I learned from it.
And I ask that you guys would just consider what you can invest in the house system to make it grow in goodness and character and community.
It's your choice. Live your life how the world wants you to live it. Live it the way that God wants you to.